Novartis is a global healthcare company based in Switzerland that provides solutions to the changing needs of the patients. One of the big 5 strategic priorities is data and digital, and we are embedding data science in the way we research, the way we run business operations, and engage with HCPs and patients. In 2018, in finance, we decided to create a digital finance hub here in Barcelona. The aim was to combine data science with finance and reimagine the way we work in finance, leveraging the new technologies. We are currently 25 data scientists, together with other positions of data engineers, and we are giving support all around the globe. The relationship with Eurecat started in mid-2018, just after the birth of the hub. We were looking for a business partner to help us organize a Dathaton. For those who are not familiar with this type of event, a Dathaton is a data science hackathon, a challenge for data scientists where we present a business problem and we look for different solutions to tackle it. The aim of the Dathaton was to show the commitment of Novartis in data science and digital finance, to explore different ways to tackle finance business problems, and the last was to identify new talent. Novartis collaborated with Eurecat in the organization of 3 events, in 2018 and 2019 on a face-to-face Dathaton with close to 60 participants in each edition. And in 2020, despite the pandemic, we organized a virtual Dathaton. We reached 150 participants coming from different 13 countries, and all the event was a great success despite all the virtual setup. The Eurecat Institutional Business Event Unit supports us in designing the event from end to end, to get traction in advertising the event, get the support of their network in the educational setup, as well as all the support during the event and final closing. And I have to highlight that it was very easy to work with them thanks to their experience in organizing this kind of events, as well as their positioning in the technological and digital network. We also work very closely with Eurecat Data Analytics in Medicine unit, in particular with the research line. They help us shape the challenge, think what would be really interesting and attracting for data science talent, as well as in the monitoring during the day of the event. Eurecat has helped the Digital Finance Hub of Novartis to innovate in celebrating Dathaton events. They bring a unique expertise where they know very well the contestants, what the data scientists are looking for, and also they manage very well all the logistics in terms of organization. And last but not least, they also gave us many insights on how to define an interesting technical challenge. I would highlight from Eurecat their knowledge on the digital environment, as well as their strong network on the professional side and also on the education. Outside of the technological values, I would highlight that they are a very close business partner. They listen very carefully and with attention to detail what are you looking for, and they have great organizational skills.